Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 628 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, it doesn't really matter, and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's pick this 3-dot icon in the right upper corner and enter edit contacts. And that was a misclick, sorry. And as you can see from this step, we have to simply tap on this camera icon which is right here. And we can either take a photo, and we can do it just by using the camera app. So your device will open it, and thanks to this you will be able to catch a photo of the person who's right in front of you, for example. Or you can select a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the position and the size of the square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is basically responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo, but that's okay. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. And now we have to remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And unfortunately there is an error, but no worries, I had it before. So all you have to do if you've got the situation like that is to simply recreate all of the steps, because sometimes it just don't want to add the photo. And as you can see here, we've got the photo of this contact, and from now on you'll be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. So basically this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HTC Desire 628. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.